Kwaza Mkhonto wesizwe kwaza, viva Mkhonto wesizwe, viva, viva President Jacob Zuma, viva. Comrades, I want to say this, ne? Lot of people outside there, they are so obsessed about Mkhonto wesizwe, especially abantu ukuthi akusiyabo Mkhonto wesizwe, or maybe we don't know, maybe behind the scenes they are the members of Mkhonto wesizwe. Hey bafethu, people are so obsessed, especially about our President Jacob Zuma. They are so obsessed about him. Right now, as we speak, President Jacob Zuma use Burkina Faso. Already people are posting, hey, Ibrahim Traore akafuna ukuhlangana no President Jacob Zuma. Manje na umbuzo because of Tina, who are part of Mkhonto wesizwe. Asikhumbulu President Jacob Zuma athi uya eBurkina Faso uyohlangana no Ibrahim Traore. I mean, how many African countries aloka hamba banga question na kunye la ngahlangani nama president wakhona. But I can tell you, people are just so obsessed about President Jacob Zuma. But you know what? I must say this, guys. Yabona kufana nemoto mayihamba or imoto emile, abantu ngeke bakhulume ngayo. Kufana nenja ayikhonkhothi imoto emile, ikhonkotha imoto ehambayo. You know the way so people are so obsessed. There is even this lady organization, but I can tell you, uwazindaba ezomkhonto wesizwe nokundlula thina abantu bomkhonto wesizwe, ukhuluma ngabantu bomkhonto wesizwe nokundlula iorganization yakhe. But thina the members of umkhonto, let me tell you something, we must also appreciate abantu abafana nalabo, because of these are the people ukuthi ba decide ukuthi bazokhuluma on our behalf about our organization, singababhadalanga singabaphanga imali. These are the people aba decide ukudayisa. I'm telling you, they might say whatever that they want to say, but according to Bona, it will be a bad publicity, but it is those publicities ezisizayo ukuthi sigrow every day. Because of, I'm telling you, you would find somebody say, I'm the member of this organization, what, but I'm telling you, magmele khulunywe nga real issues. They're always looking kumkhonto kwenzakalani. And look at something about us umkhonto wesizwe. You will never find us being obsessed even about their leaders. We don't even mention them, namagama wabo, not even their organization. But you know why also we are like that? It's because of sifunde from a real leader. Ipolitiki yakhe akusi ipolitiki yabantu or iyokhuluma ngabanye abantu ngamanye ama-organization ukwenza ini. And that's why bafethu kumkhonto wesizwe asina leader nje. That's why noma bangathini, uyabona uPresident Jacob Zuma bangasho noma yini, ngisho even some of their leaders la ubaba uJacob Zuma afike khona, fana nalesihlalo sokuba yipresident eSouth Africa, abanye babo basazogcina ngokuba ama-president wama-organization wabo. But uPresident Jacob Zuma waba yipresident yala eSouth Africa. Ngisho na 2024 abantu baye bavota waze wama nomshini we-IEC. That's why I'm saying lana sikhulumi ngendoda nje ukuthi ufana nemoto emile, imoto ehambayo. That's why manje they are looking. Tina, I'm telling you, Tina, sisibhekela boma generation, abantu they are just looking what's happening in Burkina Faso, what's happening abantu, because of also they understand ukuthi what it means for him to be there. So yeah, hey, people are so obsessed, guys.